Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin balapan bena ya katarik jong kajingi Thep vote akan ikajela. Na kabenta banjir themai ekonomi man syaka yang dorbar thawan kajela. Kaban Shillong haka arpnyo tarik ubna rempang banwan. Henne kasngi kalai poi tarik ukalaleng kon kadai kasngi haka ba kajingkhang na kabenta ki Kyrteng ru banet Thep board Kyrteng kelas dang play. Haka ni nong ba Shillong henne kasngi kelas dang banet Thep Kyrteng daki arngot ki Kyrteng bakan Thep ya ka Ïaleh bamenta jong kaseng kongres na East Shillong constituency ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh kabanyak hon hi nakajo kaseng. Ya ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh lasanan lang daki bahaya ngasam beringkat kinong kersan jongka. Watla ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh hadu menta kaladan haka Thep toket jongkatnat Central Bureau of Investigation. Halor ka jingkano bakadan kti haka kam letok haka bathong kam mikino hikai haki skol sarkar haus nam ahjar pra. Henry habakran kinong pathai kubor hadin beladap Thep Kyrteng ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh kelapan pau ya jingskam bakan job yang hakani election mentaus namru.
Ampareen Lyngdoh, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Ïaleh Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I did not have strategies. It's just a natural process. Now we peak towards the polling day. I appeal to the people of my constituency to please kindly support me again. Come out of your homes and cast your votes. We don't want to have a low polling turnout. And strategy, I think I need not say much on that. I'll work hard till the last moment, till the last day. Anti-incumbency factor is a common occurrence for a person who is contesting the elections for the fourth time. But I'm confident that to the best possible extent, I have worked hard, and we have a checklist where we can very proudly and confidently say that out of the hundreds of things that have been requested to me by my residents, 99% I have been able to deliver. I am saying if at all there is an anti-incumbency factor, it would account for the 1% where we could not reach out, because I have 40 localities in my constituency, and taking care of everyone in 5 years is always the biggest challenge. We are not looking at our contenders. We are preparing our own election. We will give it our best shot. We will try to have a bigger margin on the date of the announcements of the results. And parties come and go. Congress is here to stay in my constituency. I remember my father with great sense of respect. I remember my brother, Lyngdoh, with great sense of respect. And I think we have done a good job over the last 4 decades of serving the people of the constituency. The speculations of a by-election are very unfounded. Very unfounded. I told you, from day one, when I was asked the question by the media as to whether I would still contest from the Congress party, I have told you clearly, I'm fine with sitting in the opposition. It's okay. I'm a committed Congress worker. I have faith in my party. I'm very proud of my leader Rahul Gandhi ji, and I will always be with the Congress.
Sa uway pat ukartong ubanya kon ya ka election Ïaleh mentaus nam. Ubala pendap ya ka jing Thep Kyrteng henne kasngi ka lai poi tarik ukalaleng kon. Uday UMDC bamenta jong kalaban constituency uba Ricky Shullai ubala job ek election MDC hak election sisteng samai kebala penlong House nam arjakan reu na kaseng Nationalist Congress Party uba Ricky Shullai unya kon ek election MLA mentaus nam kumu Kyrteng Klemseng na Meliam constituency ke kebala penlong yu new Kyrteng ubadang Shurong Shen syakani kejeli jong kasan partai habakran hakinong patai kubor hadin meladat Thep Kyrteng ulapan pau yala kejong kanong rem bat kinya ki jutang.
I, Shullai, having been nominated as candidate to fill the seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly or Legislative Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Full name and book also. Full name.
Kalau kau ni, jika kena kalau ada ke lalong no ke professional career ke professional life, mentah melaksu benong benginya but lang kumbai ilit mai kumbai yat mai ringi abis ngap jaga suku berba. Te hot buat ke MDC ru kinong kit kam kinong kersan kiong ba minum kuat ban ya pi berbentuk sejupi yang ba pi ni nak independent ru. Ila persang ban selok kan nekat tu bi parti ru ndri desi ba mihap ni kampoi te din ngasim no kasut ba bat habakut ni poi simrai banyak kun independent kum girang ba kum kita ginong kitkam me iru ya song ya keren sutu ti ong kabyangi ba ong piru ong ba nimlahi benginyat kat coba ngi kwa mai arngot ringi hapsak skam sut ba te kasuyat mi kalbi la jong mai tri kum bani ngatri kum bisi bat mata ngapoi banyak kun kan election chapo melim konstituensi te kamdan jingye dei bat I heru te mi ya janti lajong mga ganti lajong ngampat perkat banyele election MLA ndrei hakini kisnem sistem tam menta mengalong kumnom ikman kumem DC hapo khasan laban mo prem kon thup lange kalau sotun ndrei ka MLA bene ka hap no chapo ka melim constituency kijingye bengilap na kapor kijingye selok bat kirang ba bat kinong kitkam kijonga bat pajba nong chomnong halau sotun kilong batulong yang abang apoi ya de election cepo melim kai badai kala rasutun kahap cepo melim badu emili jongi undi basunbor dang de roni agini kisnem balale kumunga ngalasa ngaladi try snong la rasutun sungkham ta la kai snem stay hindi tay daw kahap kalastun stay apoi benele election cepo melim constituency dan kum kata eru ngaong pimtan bersai yang sisien kamdan jingmut banong banyale ya ke election MLA hindri kumu MDC kumbang akit kam kalau sutun ka hapsa po melim ni syam ki jinge ki babun ki baper bahabakut kum kinong sunong bat kinong kit kam bat mangaru lapsgo mengdi kapor mengin simrai bat mentang apoi banyakun ya ke election MLA stay bade kalau sutun ka hap po ka melim 20 ST kata ka jingjab jingrem te ka kam election ngin mula banong hindri kumbangila sedang ya trikam ladu gini mentala subuh benai mengala sedang menkiu stegi snong tan meliam borok kawehi pengala saki ngalai I kijinge badbun ki kijingduna kalong bangi kijing perkat nikong bagi ong kalau long siang nong sim den por subun be ndai daga liste kadang khamkhya shu tekini ki baka pelong yang abang ya kunni election government